Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk guys how can we erase all data in a Realme phone. As like guys, you want to reset your phone, so as you can reset. So as now let's see how to erase all data in a Realme phone device. In this video, I will show you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So and first of all, open your phone setting to erase guys your all data. After on first setting is you can see this type of setting in your Realme phone. So when scroll it, friends, you can see your system setting. Friends, tap here and guys again scroll. As backup and reset option, guys tap here and guys click on the reset phone option. So friends, you can see guys erase all data setting here. So friends, you want to erase your all data, so friends you can erase from here. Guys, you will have to withdraw your pattern. Then guys you can erase your all data. Guys, I don't want to erase now, but guys you want to erase, guys you can erase from here all erase all data. You can see reset to factory setting means you can reset your phone from here. So I hope fans you have understood how to erase all data in our Realme phone. So that's it again. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye friends.